video channel. Welcome guys, I'm here with my friend, my dearest friend Tiffy from Life with Tiffy. And guess what guys, I'm kind of in a like a celebratory mood. Why may I use word that I can't pronounce?
Because I have to help you out.
Oh goody!
Walking dictionary.
I mean, we told you. Oh God. Anywho guys, we are celebrating reaching 300 subscribers. And guys, some people are say like 300, who celebrates 300? But
they don't understand the work.
Trust me, I thought it was easy until I started to do my YouTube video, guys.
Yeah.
It takes a lot. So to reach 100, 200, and then 300. Oh.
But I want 0.
Oh. Wait there.
We're making 300, Toya. 300.
Oh, you have put the 0 there. Yes, guys, 300 subscribers. If we celebrate 300 subscribers, what will happen when we reach 1,000 subscribers? That's what we're going to do.
1,000 you reach? What when we reach 500?
So, guys, we are going to no other place than
Hellshire.
Yes, woohoo! So we're gonna eat a couple little fish, even a lobster. If Tiffany buy me a lobster, then goody, me would eat lobster. So we're taking on a journey with us to Hellshire just to see how the place looks since COVID and keep and all of that.
Yeah.
So guys, as we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Thumbs up this video. Post your comment and guys share. When me say share, me say share. Share. No?
So make sure you hit the share button, you know. Share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, share it on Twitter, share it on WhatsApp, share it on MySpace. Cash drop it, cash up it, whatever. We don't know, we don't use cash up in Jamaica, but just make sure you share.
Oh,
I would like hearing from you guys, so please leave a comment down below.
Yeah. So ready to start the journey?
Of course.
We kind of did start already and realize that we don't make no intro, so we just stop and I make an intro because I know so we can see them three there behind me in the background. So we can't lie too now. Guys, let's start our journey. So guys, we're here at Hellshire, and as you can see, I'm having a little thing I sell, little towel and your
tourist attraction,
water and your toys and all this stuff. Yeah. So guys, we reach here and Palm here the man say, see them there like, dude, we never come to see you. So like, what we have here? So guys, we reach, we're at Hellshire, and let me tell you something. I think the place is windy, and my frack fly up and I feel hold it down like Betty Boo and all of them something there. A Betty Boo close by? No, I'm early man. Oh.
That's cool.
But guys, out here hot, like the heat kill me. So we're gonna go in to have our fish.
Oh, man, I know in the background.
Trying to, you know, get away. Come on. Fish? Lobster? See there guys, Bev and Sons seafood. That's the menu. So whatever you want, you come here and ask for it. Guys, look at that. Woo! Look at what? Woo! The fire and everything, the wood fire. A wood? Oh, guys, look at this. Someone knows that this is a parrot. I know that this is a snapper. Them snapper them big so. Tiffy on the go. Woo! What? Oh, you have your fish. I find that I don't really love fried fish. So I'm not gonna do it. Girl, you're like me. I don't like fried fish. Guys, I'm excited.
How much is it?
So like 3,000.
Alright. Festival now. Give about 12 festival. Yeah, Bami? Yes. Bami.
Wait, that's the water come up? That's a long minute come here, sir? That's a long minute come here? Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, look at the water. Oh my gosh. And the water is not really dirty. Well, no, it's dirty.
That bad,
Guys.
but still, it's just too close.
So guys, we're at Hellshire and we're waiting for our fish to prepare. Tiffany ordered steamed fish. Me, I love steamed fish, but I always have steamed fish, so I decided to take the fried fish today. I really want lobster, but Tiffany allergic to lobster, and she said she, even if the breeze blow on her, she'll get sick. So I'm not eating a lobster today. But I know I'm gonna enjoy the fish. So guys, I can't wait to show you all the fish big and nice like rice.
Daughter,
I saw it got Tiffany. Where was it?
Look at that, look at that. No review. That is no review.
Yes, I saw
I
it.
don't want to eat it. Listen, she don't know what the alligator them. So all.
So you get all this amateur. No.
Ready.
That's the sound of the fish being prepared.
If my fish are prepared, they want it.
I want it like fish. What is this one? This man that blame them to this to Tiffany? No, yes.
I don't want to do it. More and more.
Guys, this is not work out.
Wanna trust me here? Trust me.
Guys, on my channel. Trust me. So, when you come at Hellshire, guys, you can't come to Hellshire and not have your pepper shrimp. Good, nice pepper shrimp. And so I'm gonna buy my $300 bag. So which one for $300? Oh, these are one $300. Guys, look at this. So I'm gonna pay it now. You can wire transfer it.
Cash up.
Guys, nice. Have the right amount of little salt to it. Guys, you have to suck out the end and stick your tongue. Yeah, part here. And your finger. Okay, after you get your money's worth, you have to do
You
all
are
that.
so disgusting.
Oh.
Tired of can't eat yuck.
Guys, Tiffany allergic to shell food. And I really want to have a sick because I'm not going to do the straw overnight because I'm not drive with her because hospital live far. And I don't eat tiramisu. Some friend.
You can't even eat the
Don't
head.
eat nothing but shell over there. Oh, don't eat me, I'm a head. People don't eat head.
God, Claude, I go see that video.
Guys, in their sauce, they have onion and pepper. And I think this use what is it again? Vinegar. And guys, you're supposed to pour this onto the fish. So that's nice. The taste is the ocean sound, the soothing atmosphere is nice, the place is still cool. I know I feel what influence me from one from my L.I.F.E. I have a friend, but she got a YouTube channel, she named Cassidon. She posted her friend got L.I.F.E. and I'm like, man, a long time I got L.I.F.E. Now my friend TV I'm like L.I.F.E. So Cassidon, big up yourself. Guys, want to go to our YouTube channel, want to support her, support the YouTube family. Guys, they love food. Love food. That's how I was a complaint, so we're fatty.
This was a bad idea.
Guys, I'm very full.
From this nigga also something.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this was worth it.
Yes, it was a good evening.
I'm not gonna lie. Like, we just want 300 more subscribers. For now. Latoya more, you know. We just want 300 more.
We take 3 of them.
Yeah, and then when we 600, which one we can go eat next to 600 subscribers.
You just have to stick around to see the unsubscribe.
Yes, guys, so time to head home now. Tiffany has an appointment. I have things to do. But how we're going to move? How we're going to do it still, you know? Rolling, rolling, rolling up the pizza.
But it actually worked.
Yeah. We can't get up. I'll fall in. I can't get up. So we're going to leave Hellshire now to go home. Her appointment, whatever it is I have to do. Guys, thank you for tuning in to another video with me and my girl Tiffany. I'm going to say something, the food shot. Aunt Bevan's son. I always want to compliment Aunt Bevan's son.
Compliments to the chef.
Proper food, proper environment, proper everything. I'm really enjoying my meal. So guys, thank you. Thank you. Why don't we stick around with each other as well? Actually, I don't want to leave enough. Guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, leave your comment and share. And go check out my friend Tiffany's channel. That's Life with Tiffany. I'll see you next week for another video.